Here's an introduction to Open-AudIT Cloud, how to get started, how to add some initial devices, and see just what it can do for you. In this demo, I already have an Autmantic account, but I haven't registered for a cloud instance yet, so let's do that now. Go to the Autmantic.com website and click on the Open-AudIT Cloud button. On this page, because I already have an account, I can simply log on. If I didn't have an account, I'd have to create one first. Here's our options of selecting what we'd like to create. In this case, I'm just going to create a trial. I select the trial and give it my company name, accept the terms and conditions and click Create. That's it. I now have an instance that I can log into. This page shows all the details of our instance, but also has a handy link directly into the application. You won't need to log on because you've previously logged on to Autmantic.com. And here's our default dashboard in the cloud. On this page you can see everything you need to get started, whether that be downloading a collector, setting up some clouds and credentials, or even just importing the example data. First off, let's import the example data. There's no need for us to audit anything or put any credentials in. This will show us what Open-AudIT can do out of the box. You can click Import Example Data button here on the dashboard, or you can always go to Manage Devices, Import Example Devices. Click the Insert button and give it about 10 seconds to load all those devices in for you. And here's our regular Open-AudIT dashboard. It's now populated with all the devices that we've found, and you can see exactly what they are. These devices are all based on real devices. Obviously, the sensitive data has been removed and replaced with dummy data. Here's a Windows PC. You can see all the attributes as if you'd audited that on your network. All its hardware, all its software, all its settings, they're all there. Jumping back to our dashboard. You might want to audit your clouds. We can audit Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Compute clouds. In this case, I'll set up my dummy AWS cloud. We have detailed wiki pages about setting up your cloud auditing. At the end of the day, all you need is a user and API details for your cloud, and Open-AudIT can talk to that cloud and find out exactly what machines you have up there. To actually audit the devices on that cloud though, you will need credentials to access that device. Whatever the device is that is on your cloud, whether it's Linux, Solaris, Windows, it doesn't matter. Just the same as it works on your network, you can audit your machines in the cloud. Once you have your cloud instance set up, and if you want your credentials, you can execute that cloud discovery. I'll click execute here, but obviously this won't go very far as I used dummy credentials and a dummy account. But that's how quick it is to audit all your cloud devices. Your networks, your locations, your cloud instances, and if you like, the actual audited details of those machines. Another way you might like to get some initial data in is to audit My PC. This functionality basically downloads the audit script onto your PC, pre-configured and ready to go. All you have to do is execute that, and the details will be uploaded to your cloud instance. We have audit scripts for Windows, Solaris, Mac, Linux, all sorts of things. In this case, my browser is running on a Mac. The application has detected that I'm running a Mac, so it's offered as a first choice the Mac OS script. We provide the URL with a direct link to the script. You can email this to your staff or yourself, and then you can run that from anywhere on any PC. And lastly, when you're ready to audit the things on your network, you'll need to download and install a collector. We have collectors for Windows and Linux, and these are basically Open-AudIT in collector mode. Once you've installed that and registered it with the cloud will fully control that collector. You will never need to interact with it again. You'll schedule your discoveries on the cloud, you'll import your credentials on the cloud, and the cloud talks to the collector, and the collector audits your network. And one last item, in the cloud we have our feedback button. We'd really love any feedback you care to give. It doesn't matter whether it's good, bad or otherwise, we want to hear it. And that's it. That's how to quickly get started with Open-AudIT Cloud. You can use your data, you can use our data, it doesn't matter. Jump on, take a look and see what it can do for you.